Welcome to Tech Boss again. In this video we are going to learn how to face this problem very quick. When you are getting this problem, log in with your own account or your own Google account, or verify with your own Google account. When you are even setting password, it won't work. My network is bit poor, that's why I'm using this method. When you are try factory reset, it will not work. You can see confirm screen lock already try with so and so. You can see it won't work. When you are perform factory reset, it won't work. Let's try factory reset. See, when you are perform reset, you can see it over here, reset all, but it won't work. Click on it, it won't work. Click on it, it won't work. Click on it, it won't work. So the main problem we are having here is because you have reset your phone. You have reset your phone, which you have forget your password or your Google account, or maybe you buy from second-hand store, or I don't know, but you have reset your phone. The main issue you are having here is because you have reset your phone. So to fix this problem quick, you have reset your phone, you have performed hard reset. Before to fix this problem, we are going to do hard reset again. But if we did hard reset and your phone didn't work, you check the link below the description to remove the Google account from the phone again, to get it this normal way, like so you can use maybe different app store to use your apps. So if this one didn't work for you, you can check the link below the description how to remove bypass the FRP on any Techno 115. So you can use it, only make call, you can't add Google account on it. It may work for some phone, it may not work for some phone too. That's why I'm telling you. So let's turn off our phone. After turn off our phone, we need to do factory reset, which you can watch the factory reset video below the description too. To perform the factory reset, you need to press and hold on the volume, the power button, like just you press and hold on the power button few moments and press on the down volume, like this and this. You can see the down volume. Okay, so let's perform it. Hard reset, power down. When you see the Techno logo, release the power button and hold on the only down volume till you see this screen. After see this screen, we are going to perform hard reset by press down or up volume to select wipe data factory reset and press on power button. After press there, come down, press here till you see this screen. After see this screen, press here and you have performed the hard reset. This is the main job you are going to do. So here you are going to need a tool. We are going to need unlock tool. My own is paired one, my unlock tool is paired one, but people, I don't know. Okay, here is the unlock tool. After launch the unlock tool, come here and click on Techno here. Then after click on the Techno here, come here and search for your model number, which my own is KM4. You can see the model number over here, KM4, and here we go, and you just click on it once and come to meta here and erase. But here you need to turn off your phone. You need to turn off your phone. After I turn off our phone, you can see it's the same phone. Click on remove FRP. After I click on remove FRP, don't do anything. Just simple connect your cable. You can see here. Remove it and connect it again. Okay, let's place here and here see something. Okay, seems like here is not working, so let's cancel it. And come here, BUYME mode. Use factory reset. Press and hold on volume down. It depends the instruction that it give you here. Since this one is working with the volume down, that's cool. That's very cool. You can see here FRP okay. After you see FRP okay, you can release here and press and hold on the power button. You can see it on automatically. Now our phone is on, so let's see if still the FRP on it or not. You can now remove and select your country. You can see we have no FRP on it anymore. So this is how to fix this method, and now you can use your phone and add your everything, your Google account, and now let's try to set how do you call it. Now you can add your Google account on it, but let's try to set password. Let's try to set password. Got it. Confirm. And you can see now you have password on it. So this is how to fix it, and I thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video again, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so when we upload new video you can get notification.